On mode 3. What's up, mate?
That is mad.
What's mad about it? But get your bum off the seat. Don't break your suspension, fatty.
Bro, stand up otherwise. Why is that going stuff?
Honestly, guys, like, I'm not sure the videos do it justice. The speed is just unreal.
That is sick.
Is that a difference or what?
Wow.
Dad, put my helmet on the goal.
Yeah, let's have a little go.
Mental.
I'll grab, mate.
That is mental.
You animal, yeah. Crazy, isn't it?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Look at him. Look at him. He's mental. Look at him. He didn't come on their foot. Hello. That's why he's dumbass. Look at him. Look at him. Look at him. He's running there like a mental boy. Look at him coming round here. Look. Hello. Look at him. Dad! Stop! Stop!
Oh.
Oh, right. Yeah, do you want to hold it? No, you don't do Hi. Get out the way! Bro, look at him. You can barely see him. You can't see him. Sorry for the bad camera. Woo! Woo! Stop! Stop, please. You see how quick it goes?
Oh my word,
You see how
mate.
quick it goes?
That is unbelievable. Unbelievable.
You
That is so fast.
Oh, to put on
So fast.
It's on my two.
That is back on mode 2, mate, yeah.
Can you put my helmet?
Oh yeah, sorry, mate. Yeah, of course. Yeah, turn it off for a sec, mate. Have some crisps in that. Quickly turn it off for a sec. Have some crisps.
I want to ride.
Yeah, you can. 1 second,
I'm
mate.
not very hungry though.
Yeah, just eat these crisps, pal. Making my bag heavy, ain't they? And then we'll do it in a sec, alright? Is it off, yeah? Oh, Electro & Co. Peace. What do you think of Electro & Co?
Good.
Best ones out there?
Yeah.
Best firm out there doing electric bikes? Yeah, give some spuds. The only firm to get for these little pit bikes? Definitely. What do you reckon, Jimbo? You're going to upgrade your girl's quad?
Yeah, it's sick.
You're going to be buying big batteries for your girl's quad and get Electro & Co?
Yeah. Got to be done, innit?
Oh, sorry guys, it's burnt there. That is absolutely unreal. The power is unreal. Yeah, well,
That's quicker than you.
definitely suspension upgrades for Dad, that's for sure. Cheers guys, that is something else, honestly. Absolutely something else.